Hello soulmates, welcome to another tutorial video. On this video we'll be learning how to make this flower design, or you can call it petal designs, on a beautiful Vicky James. So the first thing we are going to do is to first of all get the base that our flower will sit on, the base. And to get the base is just to draw a circle, right? How you cut your flare, your full flare, your 360 flare, right? You get the radius of your circle. Do you get? Then you cut it out. When you open it up, this is how it's going to look. Okay? So this is going to be the base on which our petals or our flower will sit on. So now I'm just drawing out spiral designs. Okay, like just spiral designs. That's the lines on which I'm going to sew the flower material, the petals on. Do you get? So I'm just drawing out the flower designs with my chalk. All right. So when you're done drawing the flower, the lines, the spiral lines, you're going to cut another piece of this radius, this circle radius. You're going to cut another piece. So it's going to be two pieces. Do you get? Then you're going to turn it up, right? Sew it round and leave a space that you're going to use to turn it in, right? Do you get? Now, after you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to cut out long strip materials, okay? Because that's what we're going to use to get that design. Do you get? So you cut out long strip materials, cut a lot. If you want your petals to be much, cut a lot, okay? So what you're going to do, there are two ways to do this. You can either fold it like so, right? Match it down and then weave the rough edges, or you turn it up, right? So that all the edges will be neat. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Then you use your chalk to thicken the spiral lines that you've created, because this part is what's going to help you is like to sew. So you create your spiral lines, okay? Now it's time for us to sew. Guys, can you see how it looks? So now it's time for us to sew our strips on that spiral lines. Remember, I said the spiral lines are going to help you to get, just to direct you on how to sew your flower, right? Now see how you're going to be sewing it. When you place at the beginning part of the line, okay? Remember I said weave all the rough edges, or you turn up your strip material, right? Then you pleat it. Can you see? But the pleats you're making are not complete pleats, just half or quarter pleats, so that you get that the upper edge of the flower. If you look at it, the upper edge of the flower is a little bit sharp. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. You pleat it a little, not a complete pleat. Can you see how I'm doing it? Guys, can you see? I just want to take my time so that you see the process, all right? And just you have to take your time too. You don't need to rush it, all right? So you take half pleats, not complete pleats. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So this is how you're going to sew it right round. You follow the lines, okay? You follow the lines. Can you see? So if you don't mark that spiral lines, you are going to be confused. That's the importance of marking the spiral lines on the base of your flower you are working with. So please, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm intentionally using a different shade of thread because I just want us to see how I'm sewing it. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm intentionally using a different thread. I just want us to just see it, okay? The most important thing is, do you understand what I'm doing? Do you understand it? Are you getting value for what you're watching? Do you get? So now, can you see how the pleats are going? This is the most important part. The pleats are not complete pleats. They are half pleats. It's not even up to half. I'm making it little, quarter, because I want the edges of the petals to stand. Do you get? So this is how you're going to do. Follow your spiral lines at a time. And then if you watch, you see that as I'm sewing it, I'm also turning the material. Can you see? Because the spiral lines are in a circular form. So as you're sewing it, you're turning your material in your circular form, and then you continue moving. All right. So this is how you're going to do from the beginning of the petal or the flower down to the end, the last line. So I'm done. Can you see how it's looking? Can you see? That's the back, this is the front. Okay, now to complete it, you can get your design, your applique, your stone, your bead, whatever, right? And then you place your gum on it. I use this B2000 gum, right? I'm just going to gum it on the applique, allow it to cool a little, and then I'm going to show you how you're going to place it. So guys, this is how to make your petal or your flower for your outfit, and then you're good to go. Okay, so please guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button and subscribe, like, share, and most importantly, follow for more videos. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my old subscribers. I don't take it for granted, and I promise to always upload more tutorials. So guys, this is how to make your petals. You can use it in different colors. You can decide to use different colors of petals. Just be creative. Okay, so if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to explain further to you and you'll understand. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next tutorial. Bye.